East Turkestan. East Turkestan, I just told you about the word East Turkestan. Yeah, before it's independent.
Can I pray now? Can I pray? Can I say a prayer with you now?
Now the Chinese government is committing genocide against the people of East Turkestan.
Maybe you shouldn't take his picture. You get him in trouble. Don't take his picture.
In the concentration camp, look at these people. Comment Uyghurs. Comment Uyghurs. Come here, come.
Hakkımızda hazır şu anda orada.
Professor, journalist, artist, businessman, artist, poets, writer, all people sent to concentration camps. They are those people in the concentration camp, psychological and physical abuse. From
Hakkımızda şu anda orada hepsiyle.
I don't know. Yeah.
Allah razı olsun.
This is a famous I support do the video live now. Andy has a good English.
If you have a website and Facebook, you can put some comments there.
Okay, then they take the photo.
Yeah, you can put some comments. What is your